I'm working on the Bahama Bucket Bag design. This design combines locker hooking and latch hooking with a fun beachy accent with different size raffia strips. You latch hook the different sizes and different colors. You also want to paint the canvas to make sure that you don't have any of the white in the canvas showing through your raffia accent. This is super easy and fun to do, and you just alternate your colors and alternate sizes to get the look. Then you're going to want to finish locker hooking the design, and you're going to locker hook in the same row that you attached the raffia. So you keep doing that until you finish locker hooking the top of the bag. Once you've finished locker hooking both of your pieces, the body and the bottom, you're going to want to use a tapestry needle and fabric strips to stitch the two pieces together. And you just use your fingers to ensure you're getting good coverage every time you take a stitch. And you definitely want to take a couple of stitches in the corners, maybe 2 or 3, to get really neat coverage. And you also want to make sure you cover your tails as you stitch the two pieces together. Just use your fingers to make sure you're covering tails as you stitch. To attach your handles, you'll use a tapestry needle and a strip of jute twine. I'm using a natural jute here. And initially I thought 4 stitches would be good enough, but I really think 5 or even 6 stitches holds the handle better together. And you just center your handle and stitch on both sides. You tie in the back and then add a drop of glue to secure, and that's how you attach your handle. The Bahama Bucket Bag is a fun textural design that combines locker hooking and latch hooking. You can find the kit and the pattern on the Color Crazy website.